Let's come though, because Tamil Nadu in that sense is unique, where two regional parties are really battling each other. And the two national parties are piggybacking in a sense on them. Aspire Swaminathan, is this a election for the AIADMK where you are testing life after Jayalalithaa? You tried it in 2019, you were swept out. You won just 1 out of 39 Lok Sabha seats. How is 2021 different for the AIADMK for 2019? Most opinion polls are giving the DMK-led alliance a comfortable victory. What will change in 2021 from 2019?
All right, a very good afternoon to one and all. Very simple. The people of Tamil Nadu want the AIADMK back. This has been a government that has delivered beyond its promises. Yes, of course, the 2019, as you said, was a big setback for the AIADMK. Yes, there, as all of you would agree, one of the tallest leaders, from the AIADMK, it was just, we had our, she passed away. We had our own internal issues to sort out. We have settled down. There were people who predicted that this government is going to fall in 3 months, this government is going to fall in 6 months, and we have delivered a full term, and we have performed. There are two things. One, the corona pandemic, the way Tamil Nadu has handled it, no other state has handled it. In fact, the best practices from Tamil Nadu have been implemented across, which every Tamilian out here is so appreciative of, point number one. Point number two, with respect to the development and growth of the state, when the DMK left this state, when they were thrown out of power way back in 2011, this was a state with about 18 hours of power cut. Absolutely, the treasury was, bankrupt. And from there, we have developed the state with, while across the world, industries were pulling out and shutting down, factories were shutting down operations. Tamil Nadu was the only state in the world which has raised over 50,000 crores in investments, and over 70,000 jobs have been created. And hence, the people wanted. Forget the opinion polls.
Why didn't all of this work in 2019? I know COVID and the COVID pandemic and its handling happened in 2020. Is that the big change you see from 2019 to 2021?
That was one opportunity.
That Mr. Palanisamy has now come into his own, and that he is now seen finally as a chief minister of substance?
There are two factors, as I told you. 2016, late 2016, our honorable leader, Ms. Jayalalithaa, passed away. 2016 to 17, there were a lot of issues, intra-party issues, which all of us, it's very important that we admit it. The whole world knows about it. And it takes time. Even if a senior family, somebody in a family dies, there are so many issues within the family. It takes time for them to settle down. It took us a year and a half or two to settle down. The party came back to grips of a much more stronger leadership. And yes, 2019 was a setback, no doubt about it. But that doesn't mean, even in the same 2019, there was a question. The voter had a choice who to choose for the center and who to choose for the state. There were elections of about 21, 22 by-elections for, the MLA seats that went vacant. And they chose ADMK for the state, and they chose the, UPA for the center. So that being the case, the people are very clear that they do not want the DMK back in power. They do not want to do the same mistake. They do not want all those dark days back. And hence, it's going to be a clean win for the AIADMK in 2021.
Interesting that you make the distinction between a state and a general election. That's an interesting observation, because we've seen it happening in certain other states as well, where one party is chosen for an election for the Lok Sabha and another party for the Vidhan Sabha.